Hi, I'm Lauren from TasteBetterFromScratch.com, and today I'm going to be sharing how to make my favorite childhood breakfast, German pancakes. Growing up, my mom made these German pancakes really often on the weekends. Some people call them puff pancakes or Dutch babies, whatever you call them. They are so easy to make, only 6 basic pantry ingredients, and they definitely taste better from scratch. The first thing we need to do is grab 5 tablespoons of butter. We're gonna cut it into slices and put it at the bottom of a 9x13 baking pan. We're gonna stick it in the oven to melt while the oven preheats to 425 degrees. I like to use a metal baking pan. I've found that the pancakes puff up even more, but you can use any 9x13 baking pan that you have. We're gonna stick this pan in the oven so the butter can melt while we add the rest of our ingredients to a blender. We have 6 eggs, 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of milk, a dash of salt, and a teaspoon of vanilla. Just blend it for a few seconds till all the ingredients are well combined. It's as simple as that. Everything's mixed together in the blender, and we're gonna pour it right over our melted butter in the pan. Stick this in the oven at 425 degrees for around 22 to 27 minutes. You'll see the pancakes puff up and be nice and golden brown. This is my favorite part, checking on them when they've puffed up nice and big from the oven. They're so fun. Look how fun these are, the way they puff and roll. They're golden brown on the edges, a little bit in the center. That's it. We like to sprinkle these with powdered sugar and syrup. Some people like to add a little bit of lemon juice. We cut and serve them right from the pan. This couldn't be easier, and it's everybody's favorite. Dust a generous amount of powdered sugar. You can add some homemade syrup or store-bought syrup. I'll link to my homemade pancake syrup recipe that's delicious. That's it. We cut these into squares, serve them with fresh berries if you like. Some people like the middle pieces, some people like the edges. I love a little bit of both. Puffy edge, some of the flat middle. This is bringing me right back to the Saturday mornings of my childhood with these easy, tasty German pancakes. They're so good. They're so easy to make too. I love them. Thanks for watching, you guys. I will leave the full recipe in the video description. Be sure to like the video and subscribe so you don't miss any future recipe videos that taste better from scratch. We'll see you next time.